Hey there, balloon friends. It's Patricia Robinson with Stick Up Artistry and Design. What? This little heart here? You want to learn how to make it? No problem. I'll show you how to make it. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Here's the materials that you'll need. You'll need a hand pump or an electric legenda. You're going to need some modeling balloons. Really just need one in order to make this heart. And we're going to need our handy dandy scissors. Okay, now that we have our materials, what we're going to do is we're going to slide the 260 over the nozzle of the hand pump. Remember, you can either use a hand pump or you can use an electric legenda. Hand pumps, you can find them anywhere, and most people have them on hand, so we're just going to go ahead and use our hand pump. We're going to inflate until we have about a 4-finger, 5-finger tail. We are going to make sure that we burp the balloon. So we're going to make a little small bubble, release the air, because it's always important that we have a long neck. We tie it off. And there we go. We've inflated our 260. All right? Go ahead, inflate your 260, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, are you ready to make this cute little heart? Let's go. So what we're going to do is we're going to make our first bubble. So we're going to take our we're going to take our pointer finger and our thumb, and we're going to pinch and twist until we make our first bubble. We're going to take that first bubble and we're going to put it in between our pinky and our ring finger, like so. That way the bubble won't release. Now we're going to continue by making 11 additional bubbles. So we'll have a total of 12 bubbles. Now remember, when you're making your beads or your bubbles, they all have to twist in the same direction. Okay? So let's go ahead and continue and make our bubbles. Okay, let's count off and see how many bubbles we have so far. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more to go. Okay, let's recount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12 bubbles. Hey there, balloon friends. Now that we have our 12 bubbles, right, and they're not going anywhere, let's go ahead and make a heart. So what we're going to do, where's my scissors? Here, there they are. Okay, so we're going to take our scissors and we're going to cut the end of the 260. We're going to release the air and we're going to tie the two ends together. Make sure that you're tying this correctly so that you don't lose any air and that you don't lose any bubbles. So go ahead and tie that off. And we make sure it's good and tight. And as you can see, our bubbles aren't going anywhere because we made sure that we twist them securely, okay? We take our scissors again and we carefully trim it right here. And then we carefully trim the other side. There we go. That's what we're left with. And we have this circle. So once you get here, go ahead and meet me in the next video. Hey there, are you ready to make your balloon heart? Okay, so we have this circle here, right? What we're going to do is find where the crease is of where we tied it, because we want to hide that part, okay? We are going to take 4 of the bubbles and push them together like this so that it makes a box. Excuse me, let me do that again, because we want to put it where we tied, as you can see, hold on, let me show that to you, where we tied the bubbles together, okay? So you see we have 4 bubbles together, and we're going to go ahead and twist it off. So we'll do that twice to lock it, okay? So this is what we'll have here. So go ahead, do that, twist your 4 bubbles together, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey there, balloon friends. So when we left off, we were right here. Okay, now we need to finish off our heart. So what we're going to do is go on the other side, okay? We're going to push it together, twist it just like we did in the last video. Remember, we twisted twice to lock it, and guess what? Ta-da! Love me, say that you love me. We have our heart. Now, you go ahead, make a heart, and I'll see you in the comments. See you later. Bye.